Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are doing good. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, I have something to show you. You know, this is very sad when we see things like this happening to our people. Look at this gentleman neck. Just take a look. Just take a look at this gentleman neck. The man say the police them do that to him. And I can imagine them say the police they use shoes lace for H-E-N-G. I can't really talk too much about it, my wisdom warriors, but for a look panny, you know what go down. You see how the police them do it. So me I go make una listen to him so he can explain himself. Hear this.
Soldiers. I look outside and I see some bright lights, so I wake up my girlfriend to tell him by the time I start explain to her. Me the door knocks the police, so I open it. So when I open, two police come inside. One in a mask and one without a mask. So then say go down on your knee and put your hand where you can see them. So me do as me told. So after them go in the kitchen and come out back, then handcuff me. And next, I ask them if they have a warrant. Then say the warrant soon come. One of them now take the fan card, wrap around my neck, put in foot in my back and start jai. So the fan card burst. So I pull out my shoes lace and make a slip knot, put around my neck and started to jai. Next thing, catch my head on the bed and put in foot on my head and start jai card tighter. Next thing, start give me some thumping on my face.
My wisdom warriors, wanna see how them police boy are wicked. Wanna see how them police boy are wicked. Wanna see how them do the youth. That's why me burn them all the while, you know. That's why me burn them all the while. Me no rate them. Me no rate them.
And then bring me to the hospital. Joe, the whole period of time, they never pull off the handcuff. So me did it, Joe, the whole day, no food, no water.
And when he thought it could not get worse,
They come with a piece of paper and say I should sign. So I ask them why the reason why I should have signed. What the paper all about. He say I'm going to charge me for assaulting the police. So I say, me never assault the police. Why you want me sign a paper so I assault the police? Him say, him now ask me, him tell me if he sign.
My wisdom warriors, wanna see why we have to come together as one. Wanna see that the police is not there to protect us, the citizen. My wisdom warriors, wanna see what really are going on. I believe this man. I totally believe him. I totally believe this gentleman. And in them report, in the police report, they say they go raid the place and no weapon has been found. And that it say. You understand me? So when I go do something like this, I want to go there. I want to go do something like this to a man. Look on the man neck. Uno figure prison for the rest of uno blouse and skirt life. Uno wicked. Uno police boy will do that to the man. Uno set a wicked. Uno a killer. Uno, listen. Uno forget fire right now. That is so wrong, Uno do. That is so wrong. Look on the man neck. Even if the man did a fight back, the neck shouldn't look like that. Uno shouldn't put no card around the man neck and no lace. Uno violate the man. Uno violate the man. And this is wrong. This is unacceptable. I'm gonna say the government to stand up to this. And all the doctor them. Me not understand them either. They shouldn't tell themselves to remove the handcuff. Because no matter what the problem is, from when you see a man neck look like that, uno doctor should have know say them a set a police are wicked. Uno should have know that. You understand? I mean, I wrong the man to be upset with you know. Because look what they do to the man. Them are something not right, you know. Them are something is not right. Them two police there would do that, they figure prison for the rest of their life. You see what they did do to cartel, and that them forget. Them are wicked. I saw them go around and trouble people and text it upon people. I saw them go around all the time, text it upon people, pickney. You get me? Enough of them you say go in the police force. Enough of them a murderer. Enough of them a killer. You get me? Enough of them. They just want to go in, they just come out and kill people. It is wrong. How can you do that to somebody? How can you do that? How can you police do that? When I see this in my wisdom warriors, it paid me, you know. Me begs right now, you know. The who you hold me begs, man. Me have to calm down. Me I tell you, no. Me have to calm down and come to you this way. Because John, man, me not like the way all the country I go. And you see what they do to the youth, I can't anybody they do it to. I can't anybody them do it to. And my sister Jamaican people now rise up. My sister now come together. Una now look out for our brothers and sisters. Una for stop it because any day reach a phone doorstep. Una go wish somebody can stand up for una. You get me? This a man and a mix up in a nothing. Una hear what him say? He's a fisherman. The only thing he have a fishing gun and a man will mix. So this is why me I tell you say this could happen to anybody. Because if the police then feel like say them a go dopey some people today, you know, or tomorrow morning, you know. just the mercy of God. No, I just the mercy of God. Cover people and have people back. Me I tell you no. I just the mercy of God. Because if they mean say them a come out and run road and anybody they catch, them a go whoop. You know how the things set already. So that's why I say, you feel look out for one another, man. Look out for one another. This young man need counseling. This young man need counseling. And the government, you put things in place for these type of things. And the first thing, the police them make a report and I say assault. So if the police them make a report and they say assault, yeah, why him neck look like that? Why him neck look like that? And why them a tell him say if sign paper and talk about he assault them when he knows he never assault them? When he knows he never assault them. And them a force him. These are the things. Me know, you know, there's a lot of people out there, bad people like gunmen and stuff like that. But there's a lot of innocent youth. They are in prison right now. Few of them reach out to me also. Let me tell you now. Few of them. Yeah, they reach out and they're innocent. Them are innocent youth. Yeah, I don't know them. But they see me number out and them are innocent youth. And enough of them, a long time they in there. Long time they in there in the jail. And they don't do nobody nothing. They never hurt a fly yet. You see me? So yes, these are the things. A lot of innocent youth is out there. And a lot of innocent youth get dead. They kill. Them are police, yeah. They kill a lot of innocent youth. And the first thing they like to talk about a shootout. That's the first thing. Look on the youth neck. He need counseling. He need counseling. They need to come out and talk about this. A dirty Orange Chang need to come out and talk about this. I make youth them a go on so, you know. I make a police them a go on so. The first thing he tell them is to shoot to kill. So that's why I say they go around and bad up people. Take shoes, lace and a try and hey. Jano. But every man have the India. On a police boy, every man have the India. Because you see, nobody no go and punish God. There's a God above. There's a creator. And what uno no want, if it happen to uno, don't do it to other people. Don't you dare do it to other people. Me I tell you, I feel the youth pain. Me feel the youth pain, my wisdom warriors. It touch me. It touch me. I don't like to see my people them suffer like this. I don't like to see my Jamaican brothers and sisters suffer like this. It is not nice. This not cool. This not cool. The government, the police were put in place where they claim to serve and protect. But me always tell you already, they not protect we, the Jamaican people. They might protect the government, not we. And we if we protect ourselves by coming together. Me always I tell you no. But I don't know what is wrong with no for uno. I don't know, Jano. But I'm going to hope you find peace. My wisdom warriors. So, yesterday in a House of Parliament, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has announced an initiative aimed at providing potable water to communities without electricity in the aftermath of Hurricane Beryl. Addressing the House of Representatives on Tuesday, Prime Minister Holness said he has instructed the National Water Commission to rent every available and appropriate generator to give support to communities where water has not yet been restored. My wisdom warriors, they say them place here where I ask for water and I ask for electricity, and long before Hurricane Beryl come. You hear me? Long before. What Andrew Holness claims him I go do now, so him say. Because him not do nothing. The last time I check, Andrew Holness I go take the donation. I go take the donation we want to see if he fork out in little GoFundMe so-called disaster fund where he asks and beg the people them say if he donate so he can help the people of Jamaica. Now he might go lend out the money, he might go loan it out to the small business. But there is money already there, Andrew Holness, to help with the small business. There's money there to help with the small business. You have to come out and tell the people them the truth. There is money there to help with small business. Why you want to take donation money now? If you go help with, I don't understand. You want to take donation money. If you go lend small business. Why you go lend small business? There's money there for them. There's money there for them. Hey, you don't make Andrew Holness trample upon you know. In take Jamaican people for fool, you know. In take Jamaican people for fool. Andrew Holness now. I go switch over the donation money now and lend it out to small business, and then small business I go repay back later. Me tell you no say this a money is a money making man. You no think a joke me I make. I want licky Prime Minister this you know. He love money. This a money. Me tell you no all the time. Say if money not depend that and you no in a that. Me not always tell you no. Me always tell you my wisdom warriors. Just like with the bus. A money making thing. Why in a fork out money for ambulance and fire truck? Talk truth. No money not depend that. No money not depend that. For saving lives, no money not depend it. For save which life? And who pay you money must save life. My wisdom warriors. A serious thing this you know. Jamaican people. We not joke with Andrew Holness. That's all me I tell you now. A peer promise, Andrew a promise from before Beryl come. Andrew Holness a promise till 12 days later, and just still a promise. Till 12 days later, 12 or 13 or 14 days later, Andrew Holness still a promise till today. And Jamaican people just easy so. The only people that me really say I give out a whole heap of charity. Me say charity I give out. Me tell you already say me say where she name Rhoda Crawford and when name and Flight Green. Nesta Morgan, me say did give little something about him hide and I dish it out. Me don't know where my hide for. And me say Julian Chang, she no hide nothing. She put up a whole of the picture of them. She no hide nothing. A whole heap of things she give out the PNP councillor down at Savlamar. Me I tell her say that lady, she work hard. That lady, me go show her a lot more over here. That lady. You see all when the people then know water down at Westmoreland, that woman they chuck water. And no government money. And no government. You hear me? Government no business with uno Jamaica. Government no business with uno. When uno go rise up and see. When uno go open up on an eye. When I go open it when it's too late, the man get donation. Come know you know me I say I first me ever see a prime minister beg. And I like say the yai come to Jamaica. The yai no come to Jamaica none at all. The yai a matter of fact very long the past 45 miles away from Jamaica. And Andrew Holness a beg. Andrew Holness have one bag of funds. And how much money you get already. And I know you not start spending money them yet. And you talk about donation. Oh, you just depend on the donation money, so. The man say, I take the donation money, my wisdom warriors, and lend it out, loan it to small business. So that means that when the small business them up on their feet, or I don't know how them are going to do it, them are going to pay them back. You can't do that. More than feel much better if I did say, yeah, go take the donation money and help them. And help the small business, but not loan them the money. But then again, I'm saying that there is loan for small business, Andrew Holness. You know that. There's a fund for them. Andrew Holness, come and tell the people them the truth, because we are not idiot around here, Andrew Holness. there is a fund available for small business. You need to be clear with the Jamaican people them and tell them the truth and stop tell lie. Stop tell lie. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, don't tell me what you think. Tell me how you feel. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me in the link again in the comment section. Also, you can reach me on my WhatsApp, which is 876-236-9097. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, you can do so by texting me yes, and I will add it to the group. Bless upon a nice clean self. One love.